Hey guys, I'm just going to show you how to do a compression test on a diesel engine. So this happens to be a Perkins 404F-22T out of a Wackernussen WL32, or in a Wackernussen. So I've got all the injectors pulled. As you can see there's no injectors in there. You want to pull them all out so that the starter can sort of run freely. And then I just keep a battery charger on it there, just keep the battery topped up while I'm cranking. And then you're going to need a tester. So I've got this one here. Just got it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description to this particular kit here. It's a nice one. It's got lots of different fittings. It's got the ones for the glow plug holes as well as the injector holes for many different kinds. And there's the model right there. It comes with a nice gauge, and then I'm using this particular fitting right here, which is exactly the shape of the injector. That's my injector there. Okay, so I'm just testing this particular one right here. So you screw your little adapter in. Just snug it down, doesn't have to be crazy. Then attach your gauge here. Just gonna put the camera down for a sec. This exhaust pipe's in my way. I'll clip that on. And then I'll put it so you guys can see the gauge while I'm cranking. Oh, and disassemble your fuel delivery system. So I've got the fuel pump unplugged. It's a little electric fuel pump. And these two right here, which control the solenoid. So you'll see when I crank here, the pressure build. Okay, so I'm gonna start cranking. Okay, so you can see there at 420. I think 3 was 440, 450 on 2, and unfortunately for me, cylinder number 1 was 110 PSI. So I got some major problems I'm gonna have to deal with here. I may make a video on what's going on with this thing. I don't really know yet. I'm gonna do a leak down test to figure out if it's valves or the cylinder's messed up, not really sure. Anyway, hopefully that video helps some people out doing a compression test. If you got any questions, just leave them in the comments.